everyone. Thank you for joining us today for our live webinar where we'll help you understand connected customer service solutions with ServiceNow CSM. This is Jagriti Khurana and I'll be presenting today's webinar along with my colleague Rajiv Goel. If you have any questions or have trouble hearing or viewing the webinar at any point in time, please let us know in the question window. You can also post your questions or any comments in the same window anytime during the presentation. We have a dedicated slot to answer all your questions towards the end of the presentation. The agenda of today's webinar is Royal Cyber Overview, Business Needs and Challenges, what is Customer Service Management, how does CSM work, features and benefits, demo, and then followed by question and answer. Let's start off with a brief introduction about who we are. Royal Cyber is an IT consulting and digital transformation company specializing in services, solutions, and softwares. We have been innovating since 2002 and have over 1,000 employees with a 600 plus happy customers worldwide. Across the globe, Royal Cyber provides reliable and high performing solutions and services in commerce, cloud, analytics, mobile AI, and middleware integration. Headquarters in Naperville, Illinois, we have offices located in different parts of the world, namely Canada, Mexico, Australia, UK, South Africa, with delivery centers located in India and Pakistan. We design strategies to modernize, expand, and build values, delivering impactful journey for our clients and creating a 360-degree value across their digital transformation journey. As a ServiceNow Premier Partner, we can transform key areas of IT services, providing your teams the capacity and insights they need to achieve improvements. Our IT service management practice help our clients transform their CSM capabilities to improve value, increase agility, and create viable business performances. You'll discover how Royal Cyber delivers ServiceNow better, faster, and cheaper services and help your entire enterprise functions at its best. I'll start with the business needs and challenges that why do we require CSM? As we all know, in the era of digital transformation, every business is transitioning to become digital and it aims to give best service and experience to its customers. But as the digital services are growing, the volume of service requests are also growing. At the same time, service agents working on these requests are hindered by the disconnected system and manual processes with no way to address the root cause of the issues they see day after day. Along with this, there is a pressure to reduce the operational cost. When the service agents are unable to efficiently diagnose and resolve issues, customers get frustrated, leading to low customer satisfaction score and retention issues. Insights into the reason people contacting customer services are plummeting. All this result in customer service functioning in a reactive mode with high cost service delivery and low customer satisfaction. As we can see here, these are the different services provided to a customer and are disproportionate to each other. It's these disconnected touch points and broken processes that create service gaps and frustrating experience. Requests are not completed and issues are not resolved. Despite customer service being a priority and companies investing in it, customers are still struggling to get the services they desire and deserve. Now we'll see customer top frustrations that are fueled by three problems in their customer service journey. The first one is most organizations struggle with departmental silos. Customer service is mostly disconnected from other departments such as field service, operations, finance, legal, where issues are resolved. Customers are handed off and ping-ponged across different parts of the organization without any resolution. As per the survey performed by Forrester, 19% of customers said that they contacted customer service 7 or more times to address a single request. The second one is organizations are not anticipating the need for customers. Service is reactive and customers are frequently notifying the company about an issue instead of the company fixing them for the customer calls. Additionally, issues are not resolved for good, which means that the same issue continues to affect other customers as well. As per the survey, 17% of customers were not satisfied with the action taken to resolve their most serious problems. And the third one is customer want results quickly and desire being able to help themselves instead of calling. 40% stated that they prefer digital channel over the phone. What's interesting is that 80% of the companies say that they deliver superior customer service, yet only 8% of the people think that the same company deliver customer service worthy of a superior rating. As we all know that the customer service is the key to business success. That's why great customer service lead to more loyal customer and more loyal customer buy more, they make more positive recommendation, influencing others to buy. Companies with high customer satisfaction drive more revenue and are more profitable for the company. As quoted by Bain and Company, a 5% increase in customer retention can increase profit by up to 95%. To address these challenges, ServiceNow has come up with a one-stop solution that is the customer service management. So let's move on to what is CSM and how does it work. CSM is a series of workflows, tools, and best practices for developing, optimizing, and delivering excellent customer experience. CSM is often used to automate tasks to streamline the customer experience, that is, connect departments, workflows, and systems to resolve roadblocks and proactively resolve issues before they reach the customers. So let's investigate the value propositions of ServiceNow CSM. CSM values entitle three basic areas: providing end-to-end service, being proactive, and providing self-service segment. So let's explore each in detail. The first one is end-to-end service connect people, processes, and systems. CSM system give you end-to-end case resolution data on a single platform. With this data, the in-platform analytics help companies identify opportunities to increase efficiency and automation by analyzing current and past performance. The second one is with a service management approach, customer service is connected to support operations on a single platform, giving them visibility into the health of products and services. This enables faster resolution and more proactive customer service. You'll also be preemptively address customer issues while building trust and fostering loyalty. Easily reach out to customers when any issue arises, let them know that it is being addressed, and provide an estimated time to remediation. The third one is by empowering customer with a personalized automation enhanced self-service options. Organization can provide a consistent experience across every interaction. For those customers who require or prefer live assistance, agents can be available to help provide an experience they accurately anticipate customer needs while also reduce the customer effort. To add on to the stated values, what sets CSM go beyond the traditional customer service solution is to serve the customer. It gives customer their choice of contact options with omni-channel engagement. Along with this, customer data management, case management, field service management, etc. In addition, machine learning quickly routes customer issues to the appropriately skilled agents. Therefore, customers are provided with self-service options, including automated solution to recurring requests, conversation answers from a chatbot, knowledge-based articles, and an online community of peers and experts. CSM makes customer service a team sport by engaging other departments in the resolution of root cause of the issues, identifying permanent solutions, and improving product quality. With access to real-time operation health of customer products and services, agents receive alerts of potential issue before the customer is even aware. So let's see the process flow of ServiceNow CSM and how does it works on Now platform. When the customer faces any challenge and needs assistance, he can log a case in ServiceNow. The challenge can be anything such as repairing a product, deliver a service, enhance an existing solution, expand knowledge, etc. CSM provides many ways for a customer to connect with agents such as phone, chat, portal, and email. Once the case is created and assigned to an agent, the agent gets all the information pertaining to the case, that is, connected service, workflows, previously created incident, which often help the agent to quickly resolve the case. Once the root cause is identified, the next step is to create subsequent service requests such as incident, problem, REQ, change to fix the case. Moving on, let's walk through the CSM journey. We'll start with the customer expectations. It's important to capture what exactly the ideal customer experience is. What are the customer expectations? How and where do customer expect to be able to request assistance, etc. The next one is the omni-channel experience. ServiceNow facilitates a seamless omni-channel experience between a business and its customer. Customer can reach out through email, text message, service portal, or even the company's own website with the engagement messenger. The next one is the agent experience. ServiceNow help to ensure that the agent get assigned the right task at the right time. There are numerous ways that the ServiceNow help to optimize the agent experience through Workspace, that is a mobile application purposely built for agents, and much more. The next one is the service management experience. When a case becomes an incident, especially one that may impact numerous customers, ServiceNow help to facilitate a seamless handoff between the front office and the back office, all while help to maintain adherence with the existing SLA. So customer services is always the forefront of a fully integrated customer service operation. The next one is the resolution experience. Once the case is resolved, it is important to let customer know. And if the case is not resolved to their satisfaction, then there is still time to make it right. And this is where all it comes back to meeting those customer expectations. Now we'll see the CSM features and benefits. So let's talk about ServiceNow features first. The most important feature of CSM is it drastically reduces the use of Alt tab by providing all the necessary information in a single form view. The agent workspace provides agent with a modern user interface that brings all the key information they need to work on a customer issue together in one place, improving their efficiency, speeding learning, and enabling them to provide a better customer experience. Next is the advanced working assignment, in which the case are auto-assigned to agents based on their availability, capacity, and skill. The chat and cases are pushed for faster response. Agents can configure priorities to meet response goals. The third-party integration feature allows CSM to integrate external data into agent workspace. The record of external system can be accessed via a single click only. The next and very vital feature of CSM is Customer Central. It gives agent a consolidated view of customer data to boost productivity. It empowers agent to focus on customer issues by providing all the information in a single space so that agents don't switch tab again and again. So here are some of the benefits of using ServiceNow CSM. CSM help reduce customer churn, promote engagement, and make the customer experience effortless by automating and personalizing self-service. It lets the customer connected to the system by agent who quickly assign and resolve their issues. From onboarding, turning feedback into insights, aligning your team, and providing visibility into client interactions, CSM help you streamline all aspects of your customer service. As solutions become more comprehensive, customers expect more from the companies they work with. So let's see some of the best practices which should be followed while implementing CSM for your customers. The first one is enlist a CSM expert. There should be a CSM expert who should have experience with industry transitions and have employed a skilled workforce to identify specific business activities and map out a strategic migration path to the ServiceNow platform. Second is understanding the company wide impact. ServiceNow solutions control and synchronize all workflows from across the organization, such as IT, HR, finance, to create a single experience for the entire business. It's not a standard IT project for which the IT team maintains sole responsibility for implementation and successful operation. So the company wide impact should be understood. Next is look beyond the quantitative matrices. Organization might consider expanding success metric beyond the initial number and dig deeper into the customer quality representative interactions. These qualitative measures might include implementing an emotional intelligence scale to assess a help desk ability to present a positive persona to the customers. Next is align metric with strategic business goal. Successful customer service can contribute to and promote strategic business goals, meaning that the management should align customer service success measure with enterprise wide objectives. Next is pave the way with the implementation roadmap. A ServiceNow CSM implementation plan will aid management in aligning and conflicting priorities around a big picture view of how CSM will improve the customer service experience. Next is connect marketing and sales to CSM. Marketing and sales are two crucial areas where you interact with customers regularly. By connecting marketing and sales to CSM, they can communicate with customers to find areas of improvement within the customer service process. And the last one is add more services unit to the CSM. On the top of integrating marketing and sales, organizations should also consider bringing other service units onto the CSM platform. Field service, IT, engineering, for example, are other critical departments that might benefit from ServiceNow CSM capabilities. Each of these units' knowledge and information can help improve the customer experience. So now we are presenting a use case followed by a demonstration to give you an example of how to use CSM. Let's take a fictitious company which sells their product and services to their customers. To implement this use case, we are going to perform below activities in our demo instance. Like we'll create accounts or partners, we'll create products, create contacts for the accounts, create entitlement and associate with the account, then create one agent group and associate agents to the group. Then we'll create case for the account and agents will resolve the case. So to perform this, let's jump into the ServiceNow instance. So this is the ServiceNow instance where I have logged in as one of the service agents of Royal Cyber, taking this company as an example, which provide product and services to its customers. We have already configured CSM application in ServiceNow instance for the demo purpose. To add this application, otherwise you need to install Customer Service Management plugin and it is ready to use. So now type customer service in this filter navigator. And the agent can see various modules of the CSM like knowledge, my schedule, cases, escalation, partner, account, contact, customer relationships, and others. We'll discuss each one of them in detail. The first and foremost thing which should be done is to create an account. Account is a supported external customer and the account form stores the customer information including the company name, contact name, address, phone number, web and email address. Account can be a customer account, a partner account or both. So account can be created by admin and agents use these accounts. For this demo purpose, we have already created few accounts. So I'm taking the example of Autovity Infotech, which we have created. It's a customer that takes services from Royal Cyber. Here you can see all the information of customer like phone number, street, city, state, its name, number is associated with this, and other CSM modules. Here you can see the checkbox of a partner. A partner is a supported external customer that sells and support other customers. A partner can report and manage cases on behalf of customer. A partner can also be a customer. But here, as the checkbox is not checked, so this Autovity Infotech is not a partner, it's just a customer. So next we have is the contacts. A contact is a user who is an employee of an account. A contact record store information about the contact such as name, phone number, email, and web address. Account can have multiple contacts, but a contact can be associated with only one account. A contact can have one or more associated assets and service contracts, which we'll discuss later. A contact can also have a user ID and can log into the customer portal. Basically, a contact is a user in the system. If we create a contact, that person is also added to the user table. Coming back, next we have is the asset. Asset is a specific product or instance that is supported for a customer. There are different types of assets, and information for each type of asset is stored in a different table. Next we have is the sold product. So sold product are the products and components that have been sold to account or a consumer. Next we have is the product. A product is a type of good or services that your company sells and supports. Product model identifies different type of products such as service, hardware, software, or consumable. So next we have is the install base. Install base items represent the instances that have been configured for a customer. Each install base item reference the configuration item record for this customer. Next we have is the contracts. So a service contract contains information about the type of support that is provided to a customer, and it can include coverage for specific assets. It can also include multiple service entitlements and SLA. So next we have is the entitlement. So entitlement defines the type of support that a customer receives as well as the supported communication channels. Entitlements are counted and tracked using two type of units, cases and hours. So this is how different components of CSM application are connected to each other. Now I'll impersonate to a customer ID which we have created for this account. I'm taking the example of customer Cindy. So this user is from company Autovity Infotech for which we have created this account. This user needs support from Royal Cyber. So she can log into service portal and explore various options. There are knowledge articles provided for assisting user on various topics in this knowledge section, like this. So if user does not get answers from knowledge article, then user can log a case via phone, email, virtual agent, or directly from portal. Remember we mentioned CSM provides omni-channel support. So here we'll log two cases, one from this portal and one from virtual agent to show how this omni-channel works. So click on this get help. Here you can see three type of record producers. The first one is create case for a product. So this type of record producer is used if the customer have any questions or they are facing any issue related to the product. So once the form is submitted, the records are created in case table. This table stores information about customer service cases related to the product. Then this case will be assigned to respective support team and the members of support team will assist them. The second one is create case for an order. Similarly, this record producer is used if the customer have any questions or any issue related to the order. So the records are stored in the order cases table. And the third one is create case for the install base. So once the form is submitted, the record for install base are also stored in the case table. So we'll take the example of this. So as you can see, the contact name is auto-populated. In asset, we have two options. I'll select this one. And the product will be auto-populated based on this asset. So here we have to give the subject. Subject can be the short description of the case. And accordingly, we'll see the related articles, like if this can be solved from the knowledge article only, but we'll raise the case. The description is the detailed description of the case. Then click on submit. So here our case is created and you can see all the information regarding this, the account name, the contract name, the contact who raised the case, entitlement, asset and product, and the activities are shown here. Now click on home. So we'll raise another case from this virtual agent. This is just to demonstrate different options of omni-channel support. Click on all topic. So it says please briefly describe your issue or question. So it is the second case we are creating. So again, it shows some knowledge articles. Did any of the information resolve your issue? No. Then would you like me to open a case? Yes. So you can see the case has been created here. I'm done. Let me open this case. So the second case has been created. Now we have created two cases. So let's switch to the agent account and see how the other side functions. Agents can see all the cases assigned to them and to their group in the agent workspace. So as you can see here, there are two unassigned cases. And other detailed information can be seen from the list view. Here you can see the cases which are open, which are assigned to this agent, my cases, and unassigned for my group, all cases. There are information regarding the case task, major issue management, the customer information, that is the account, partner, or contact information. the knowledge, incident, problems, and all. So let me click on all. So these are the two cases which we created just now. Let me open this one. So on the top, you can see the contact information, like who created the case and the timeline and the priority. In the detail tab, we have the detailed information like the case number, the channel from which the case has been created. It could be phone, email, chat, but now we created via web, so it shows web. The next we have is the account information, the product, asset, and other relevant details. This case is assigned to this group, assignment group, and as of now, it's not assigned to anyone. So here in the next tab is the comment window. Agent can give comments here and it will be visible to the customer. If we scroll down, we can see the activity, the recent activity which has been done. So here we have an option of agent assist. It shows related cases, like the cases which are related to this type of ticket, some issue, and how it was resolved or closed. It will be helpful for the agent to fix this case as soon as possible. The next is the attachment section. Here, any attachment will be there. The next is the template section. So agents can use the template which are already created to attach in this case, so as to avoid typing the same type of thing again and again. So templates can be created and can be used here. The next is the response template. To give the response in a case like we are working on this issue or something like that. So response templates can be created and used. So once agent can see the information of the case, agent can assign the case to himself by clicking on assign to me. So the case will be assigned to the agent. So based on the complexity of the case, like if it can be resolved on the case level or if any further action is needed, agent can see options from here like create incident, create problem, request, or escalate case. So accordingly, action can be taken. And after that, propose the solution here. So for proposing a solution, you must select a resolution code and add resolution notes. So the resolution code can be selected from here that the case is solved. And the notes that the case is resolved. So before that, we have to save. So once the notes are added, agent can close the case. Sorry, I missed it. So the case has been closed. Similarly, end user can see that the case has been closed now. So another feature of this CSM is the dashboards. So the dashboard feature is available for reviewing the overall health of customer service management, like how many cases are created, how many are resolved, what is the status, are there any critical cases, and how many are open, how many are unassigned, not updated, like this, open cases by group, open cases other than 30 days, stacked by priority and state, and as per the requirement of the company. So this information is helpful for the managers to review the performance of service agents and henceforth take necessary steps. So with this, we are done with the demo, and now we'll begin answering the questions as we move into our question answer session.